If your Coleman die out in any reason, even though it's full of Coleman fuel, maybe the problem is there's some leak there, so it's not sealing well. So to solve it, I removed the whole assembly of the pump, and I think the leather is the one that's problem. So the one I do, I'm gonna soak this one in a oil for 24 hours and check it again. After that, let's wait. So already knocked out the 24 hours exactly, same time. And let's see if the leather is expand, and put it there now. And let's see if they have some changes. Time check, it's 10:45, so it's already overnight now. So let's see if the leather pump it's already swell, and I make it flat and I do it like umbrella. So let's go there now and let's look at it. So it's ready. So I lived here for like overnight. Now it's almost 11 o'clock. So let's look at it if it's already swell up. So finger cross. So hopefully this one is work. So I make it expand like that. It's like a umbrella. Now time to pour it to the Coleman pump. I suggest to get some nut sharp like this to not to damage the leather. Line it up and then try to do like this. Press it little by little to get in. So the leather is already swell, so that's why it's a little bit tough to pour it. Wait until to get in. And now it's fully in. Push it. It's a little bit hard to push. And the reason why I put this one so that when it's not in your way, because if you put anything there, it's gonna be like this. I show you. Drop it there and put the one's gonna be like that, so it's gonna bother in your way. And just lining up, check it says oil there, so they're lining up and drop it there. So that's the right to pour it, not this side. So you need to at least still read the oil there, and then get the D-ring or the clips or the lock. This one line up there in a hole, and then after that pull it, hold the. So now let's see. Now I think it's good now. Let's fire it. Let's see. They give us pressure. Now they give us pressure. Now try to fire this one. Put the tools away to the lantern. So make sure the fuel cap is tight, and move this bed in the other side and try to pump it. It's a little bit harder now because the leather's already swell. So I think it's gonna be work. Closed. Then let's see if we heard some hissing. Yeah, we heard it. So pump it a little bit more. And release first all the accessories, the ventilator and the globe, and most especially this screw in the top. All is out. So she's is on, so pump it a little bit and then put everything back on. Put the globe on. Make sure drop it carefully. Then put this and it's very successfully done. So I don't need to buy the new leather seal. So I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and have a wonderful day. Thanks. I'm out.